With over 60 dynamic data points, Oxygen 6 provides you with all the choices you need to build truly dynamic websites. I'm going to jump into this template I've created to apply to my custom post type called key points, and we're just going to wire up some of this design to some dynamic data from these posts. First, we want to display the post title, so we'll select this text here and go over to the properties panel and click the dynamic data button. Here you can see the sheer number of dynamic data points that are available, but this isn't all of them. Oxygen will show you the ones that make sense for the context you're in, but if you click the type dropdown and choose all, you can see the absolutely massive amount of dynamic data points that are available. Let's go back to the ones that are appropriate for this particular item, and what we want for this text is the post title, which we can find in the post category, and here it is, post title. Let's just click that. And so now we see the post title. We can see in the back end, if we hop over to this post in the WordPress editor, this is the title that we've set, and that's what's being displayed. Let's save this and open it up on the front end. And here we can see our dynamic data as well. But the magic really happens when you start making changes on the back end once it's wired up. So right now it says employees impacted, but let's change it to say employees impacted today. Now, if we save that, go up to the front end and refresh, you can see the new value from the database has been automatically updated. So now that you've seen how that works, let's jump back over here. Let's set the title back to what we want and save that. And then in our design, we can continue wiring up our dynamic data. Let's change this badge real quick just to be more appropriate for our page. We'll say performance metrics. And then we need a value here. So how many employees have been impacted? Luckily, we've set that up via advanced custom fields as a custom field called number. So we just need to pull that number in. So we can just click the element, go to dynamic data, and we can find the ACF area and choose number. But we can also just search. We can type number, and it's going to filter it down to dynamic data points with number in the title. Let's drop that in. Then we need to add the post title here as well. So we'll do the same thing, but this time we'll search title and hit enter. Now we need data from another ACF field, the description field. So we will just go in here and perform the same operation, open dynamic data, we'll type description, and we have a few options here, but we want the one from ACF. Now the last thing we need is the actual post content, which is here in the WordPress post editor. So we'll jump back into our design, select the text element where we want that content displayed, we'll search, type content, and hit enter. And now everything is being dynamically pulled from the database depending on which post we view. Let's save this and then preview it on the front end. And we have our key success metric, 2,000 plus employees impacted with our post content. But if we view a different key point post, let's hop back here and we'll say years of experience. Let's open that up. And you can see that now we have years of experience and years of experience here, as well as the updated number because it's pulling it from the database depending on which post we're viewing. Our aim in Oxygen 6 is to make dynamic data easy to work with, fast to retrieve, and robust enough for you to build any dynamic data powered website you can imagine.